All right, ladies, so we are going to grab our classic extension here. We are going to make sure that we dip it completely into the glue. Okay, we're going to find our natural lash, and we are going to swipe the excess glue up onto the natural lash and then drop the extension right on top. What you're doing is you're allowing that extra glue to bond and hold the extension better. And then we're going to leave it open just a little and allow the glue to dry. Okay, we're going to do this one more time. We're going to grab the extension, dip it, isolate your natural lash, make sure it is on a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, we don't want any other lashes involved in your isolation. It needs to be 1-to-1. You need to make sure the classic extension is placed parallel to the natural lash. It's important when we're doing this, ladies, that we use this ratio and that we use this placement to make for a clean set. Now, ladies, if you have your lashes attached to different parts of the natural lash, it will cause for a messier set. So we want it to be parallel and right on top. Okay, so you can tell all these lashes are very straight forward. None are hanging off, none are attached to different sides of the natural lash. We are dropping it right on top and we are isolating perfectly so no other lashes are involved. And we're just dropping it right on top. Okay, next we're going to move on to a volume lash, and you're going to see the difference in technique here. We're swiping now. We're still doing the same placement technique as we are dropping it right on top, swiping up and then dropping. Okay, we're still doing same placement, same swiping technique, yet the glue techniques are different. So watch again, we are swiping. Okay, ladies, why do we swipe instead of dip? If anyone knows, please leave a comment down below and let everybody know why we use this technique with volume versus classic. Again, we're just swiping and then we're gonna drop. Now we do allow it to dry a little bit longer, leaving it open, as you can tell, and then I let it go. The reason I use this technique is to allow for a better drying time, and I don't have issues with the classic or with the extensions sticking together. So we just swipe, drop, allow for it to dry for just a second, and then we'll close. If you have issues with your lashes sticking together, you are probably using too much glue or you're not allowing for it to dry long enough. So just adjust, okay? So again, we're swiping, just enough glue. Now, if we use too much glue, our fans will close. So if you wrote closed, you got it right, okay? So we want to make sure that we don't allow our fans to close, so we're using just enough glue. And by swiping, that puts the glue on the back of the extension, allowing for it to bond onto the natural lash better when we place it on top. Okay, now watch here as we just drop it onto it, and we're not messing with it. This one fell off just a little bit, so we're just going to reposition it and redirect it back to where we want it with our tweezers. A very simple technique. Okay, here you're going to see us do a classic again, so you'll see the difference in techniques. We are dipping versus swiping. Okay, big difference in techniques, simple techniques, but very different. Okay, we're still swiping and then we're dropping. Now look how clean that lash was placed on. It's straight, it's parallel. Again, volume, we're swiping. Okay, ladies, these are easy, simple techniques you can add into your lashing every day that will make your lashing just a little bit better. There are a ton of techniques out there that you guys can use. This is a simple one that, again, I use and that I teach. Okay, we're dipping versus swiping. Big difference, ladies. All right, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. We will be back with more videos. If you learned something new, comment down below. Okay, we're going to show you one more time. We're swiping. Beautiful swipe, beautiful isolation. Okay, big key factors when we are lashing. All right, ladies, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Again, we will be back. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Join our Lash family. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on our post notifications. Love you guys.